please click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any updates on my channel Sweta'sBeautyvanity. Vanity. Hello my angels, what's up? Hope all are having amazing time. Welcome back to my channel Sweta'sBeautyvanity. Vanity. Today I came up here with a traditional Bengali Indian look for upcoming new year, or in Bengali we call it Pohela Boisakh, which we are going to celebrate in the next month. I know I'm little early here, as you guys know I'm almost verge of my pregnancy, so before my baby arrives I need to finish some of the tutorial which I have already planned. And in this tutorial I'll be sharing few tips and tricks by which you can make your makeup long lasting and sweat-proof in the most hot summer day. So if you learn the techniques and get the makeup breakdown, then please keep on watching. And lastly, if you like the video, please show me some love by clicking in the like button, and do subscribe to my channel to view such awesome videos going further. So now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. To make your base makeup long lasting and sweat proof, you need to start off your base makeup by rubbing ice cube against your face. Ice has many advantages in skincare and beauty regime. It's a natural foundation primer for long lasting base makeup. If you don't have your primer or any kind of primer, you can use ice cube instead before applying the foundation. And if you have open and large pore in your skin, it also helps to strengthen up the open pore and make a perfect canvas for your next step of your base makeup. Daily use of ice cube even heal and cure the large pimples. It increases the blood circulation of skin, by which you can get healthy glowing skin naturally. So when I go for any day event or function in a hot summer day, I definitely follow that step before my base makeup. Next I'm gonna use the Badescu facial spray all over my face. This camellia, vitamin C and lavender infused facial mist leaves my complexion balanced and bright. Even it helps to maintain oil balance in my skin, by which we can make our foundation long lasting and sweat proof. Now move on to the next step of the skin prep, that is moisturizing the skin, and for that I'm gonna use these two combo. This is my recent love, the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Gel and Barrier Defense Booster. First I'm gonna apply the gel based moisturizer all over my face and neck. It felt so smooth and moisturized after applying the product. It doubled up as a foundation primer. You can use your daily moisturizer instead. I recommend the Nivea moisturizer. It's also a good alternative. Need not to use the same product, but don't skip the moisturizing thing, no matter what kind of skin you have. Now it's time to apply the oil based barrier defense booster. As I have dry skin, I need some extra care for my skin, so I'm gonna use the product. Since last month I have been using these two products, and it improves my skin tone, skin texture, and made my skin smooth and less visible pores. Today I'm gonna start off with my eye makeup first, and I put my scotch tape both the side of my eye, as today's eye look is going to be a crispy winged eyeliner look, and I use the scotch tape as a guideline for the super clean sharp eyeliner look. And here I am applying the Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base Primer. Eyeshadow Base Primer not only intensify your eyeshadow, it helps to stay put the eyeshadow onto the eyelid for the entire day. Now with this Kiko eyeshadow stick, I am creating a rose gold base all over my eyelid. As it's a creamy eyeshadow product, I did not use any powder product to set the eyeshadow base primer previously, because if you do so you may end up with creasing. So keeping it in mind, never use creamy product over any powder base. So now from the Sleek Vintage Romance palette, I am picking this purple mauve undertone semi matte eyeshadow, and top of the Kiko creamy base I am gonna apply the same and keep layering it until I get the desired pigmentation out of the product. Today I am not going to use turn up eyeshadow as my eye makeup, as it would be a daytime look, and I'll be trying to make it as simple as possible. And for applying the eyeshadow I am using the Luxie double-ended brush. Now with this cool tone brown eyeshadow from the same Sleek palette, I'm gonna blend the harsh edges of the purple eyeshadow, and I'm using the same Luxie brush, but this time I'm using the fluffy blending brush end. Next, I'm drawing a thin winged liner along with my upper lash line with my most favorite Wet n Wild Mega Liquid Liner. Now to give a extra oomph to the eyeliner, I'm gonna smudge the edge of the winged liner with a black eyeshadow with a smudging brush. Actually, I'm using L smudger brush here, and try to take a firm smudger brush like I'm using here for this step. Next, from the Aphrodite palette, I'm taking this bone shade eyeshadow which is called Koi. I'm highlighting my brow bone. By highlighting brow bone, we can define our arch of our eyebrow. Now I'm gonna go with the eyelid color, that is the purple undertone mauvey color eyeshadow. I felt I need a little extra coverage onto my eyelid, so I'm layering up this eyeshadow one more time onto my entire eyelid. Now let's move on to the face makeup. I have some open pores onto my cheek, and I always have hard time to stay put foundation onto my nose area, so I need some extra care on this part, and for that I'm using my L Poreless face primer to prime my face. It also helps to stay put the foundation for the entire day. Now it's time to add the foundation, and for that I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible 16-hour foundation, and with this I'm gonna add It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream Foundation. Whenever I go for a long wearing base makeup, I always reach for this combo. It's not only give me a long lasting base, but also it makes my base makeup flawless and smooth. Try to use a foundation for this look which is a long lasting and matte at the same time, because it's gonna be a summer daytime makeup and you don't want to make your face a crisp ball. Now I'm gonna blend my foundation with my damp beauty sponge, but I like to spray a little bit of makeup mist setting spray, that is my elf mist setting spray, onto my sponge, because over a damp sponge, if you spray your makeup setting spray, the foundation blend even better and give you a flawless base. Next, I'm going to bronze up my face with my LA Girl Velvet Bronze Stick in the shade Sweet, and apply it like everywhere I love to contour with, like under my cheekbone, below of my jawline, forehead and side of my nose. Again, it's an optional step. If you don't feel to bronze up your face with a creamy product, you can totally skip the step. Then I'm blending the product with the angular brush. Again, I'm using my elf mist onto the brush to make the blending process more easy and flawless. Now I'm grabbing my concealer to conceal and highlight my pregnant tired under eye, as it's a daytime look, so until and unless you don't have any requirement or you don't have any severe issue under your eye, I will suggest you to avoid any heavy concealer or any kind of concealer, because in India we experienced hot humid weather during this time in the year, and we basically celebrate our Bengali New Year in a hot summer day, so you can avoid to put heavy makeup at least during the daytime. Now to set the foundation and concealer, I'm grabbing my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and applying it onto my face, excluding the bronze part on my face. After which, to set the creamy bronzer, I'm gonna use the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer, and I'm using the same angular brush from Forma. And for my nose, I am using this dome shaped brush from Badescu brush range and apply the product onto my nose. Let's go back to the eye makeup and finish rest of it. And here I am grabbing my NYX Box black eye pencil and applying it onto my lower waterline, but 1/5 way, and tightlining my upper waterline with the same. Then to set the eyeliner with blue tone eyeshadow from same sleek palette. This is how we can make your creamy eyeliner or cool, long lasting and batch proof. And here I am using the dome shaped Badescu pencil brush for applying the product. Next, I'm going to apply my mascara, but beforehand, I always love to curling up my lashes. Today, I'm gonna use my new L'Oreal X5 mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, but the most exciting thing about this mascara is it has a primer side. And so first I'm gonna apply the primer both of my upper and lower lashes, then I'm gonna apply the original mascara. It's the best mascara I used so far. It's lengthen up and voluminize your lashes at the same time. You can skip your falsie if you use the mascara, and it's a waterproof mascara, so you can wear the mascara all the day without budging and crumbling of the product. Now it's time to apply the blush, and here I am using the Milani powder blush in the shade Tea Rose, which is a pink tone blush. It goes well with my makeup and sari which I am gonna wear today. After which, for highlighting my face, I am going to use the City Color Glow Duo. It has two pan, one contains the creamy highlighter and the other portion is the powder highlighter portion. And definitely I am gonna use the powder highlighter portion onto the highest point of my cheek and bridge of my nose. And here I am using my fan brush to apply the product, but not like over the top. I am using very light hand over here, and using the same onto the empty half of my lower waterline and tear duct area with a pencil brush. Now for my lips, I chose this bright pink lip color for NYX Creamy Matte Lip range in the shade Addis Ababa. Last but not the least, apply your makeup mist setting spray all over your face. Girls, please don't skip that step. It's not only helps to hold your makeup for the entire day, but also makes your makeup dewy and fresh. So there you have it. To complete the look, I add bindi or tip, my traditional jewelry, and of course my sari. Thanks for watching the tutorial till the end. I hope you guys like the look, and if so, please like, comment, share the video with everyone who needs it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's absolutely free and it really means a lot to me. I deserved a little bit love from your side, right? So guys, please help me to grow my channel further, and wish you all a very happy new year and Pohela Boisakh. Lots of love from Sweta's channel. I'll be back here soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, healthy and beautiful. Bye.